So for those of you who don't know, that was a Hawaiian monk seal, or an Ilio holo'ikauaua. It is among the most critically endangered marine mammals in the entire world, and there are between 1,200 to 1,500 of them left in the entire world. They are endemic to the Hawaiian Islands. They are protected under the Endangered Species Act, and having any interaction with them is illegal, and you can be fined up to $1,500. When you travel to Hawaii, or in fact if you travel anywhere in the world and encounter animals you have no clue about, do not touch them, do not approach them, leave them alone. Not only do acts like these put your own personal safety at risk because they pack a pretty mean bite and their mouths are full of bacteria, but you're putting these critically endangered animals at risk. Hawaii is known to be the extinction capital of the world, and we are trying so hard to change that. For future reference, for anybody that sees posts like these across the internet, you can call 643-DLNR here if you are in the islands to report such posts. There is also a DLNR tip app right up here that you can download to be able to submit tips easily. You choose your island, place a subject. This woman has already been reported numerous times from various Hawaii community members before she even put her social media profiles on private and deleted the videos that she posted. But please, for future reference, make sure you save these videos and send them in to DLNR if you ever do see them, and just generally be respectful of the wildlife. These are just one of the things that Hawaii people are sick of seeing tourists engage in. Being respectful of the land means also being respectful of the wildlife. Thank you.